There is a quiet monster that everyone is talking about. A monster that has changed the lives of many children all over the world. No more going to church, no more riding on the school bus or playing with friends during break time. No more play dates, no more birthday parties, and no more big lunches at grandma's. Life has changed. Homes have changed, and many things we took for granted have become luxuries that we didn't even know we had. Our governments and parents have told us that we need to stay home to protect ourselves from the quiet monster, so staying home has become our new normal. But even though there are many things we know we cannot change, STEM Virtual School has made being at home feel so much better, as every morning we wake up to live devotions and learn about the Word of God with the whole school and get to see the faces of all our friends and teachers, and it makes missing them a whole lot easier. Then we sign into our favorite experience, classes, where the teachers encourage us to ask questions and make complex topics fun and easy to understand by teaching us through hands-on projects. And what makes this even better is that STEM School welcomes anybody from any part of the country to join the STEM family, meet new classmates, and plug into class easily and seamlessly. Go ahead and enroll, and let's make staying home a season to remember.